In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rover. If you're a dog lover looking to connect with pet sitters and dog walkers, the Rover app is your go-to solution. It's easy to download, and I'll walk you through every step to get it on your device. Let's start by opening your device's App Store. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, go ahead and open the Google Play Store. For those of you with an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. These are the places where you can find and install apps safely. Once you're in the App Store, locate the search bar. This is usually at the top of the screen. Tapping on the search bar will open up your keyboard, allowing you to type in the name of the app you're looking for. Now type in Rover-dog boarding and walking. As you type, you'll see some suggestions appear below. Make sure you type it all out to ensure accuracy. Next up, you'll see a list of results. Look for the official app developed by Rover.com. It's important to choose the correct one because this ensures you get the legitimate app with all the latest features and security updates. Selecting the wrong app could lead to a poor experience or even security risks. Once you've found the official Rover app, it's time to download it. If you're on an Android device, you'll tap the button that says Install. For iOS users, tap the Get button. These actions will initiate the download process. After you tap Install or Get, the app will begin downloading to your device. You might see a progress bar or a spinning circle indicating that the download is underway. This is a good time to ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as it will speed up the process and save data. Now, let's wait for the download to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is finished, you'll see an option to open the app. It's always reassuring to see that everything downloaded smoothly. Go ahead and tap Open. This action will launch the Rover app, allowing you to start exploring its features. You can now start setting up your profile, browsing services, or even booking a dog walker. A quick tip before we finish: always double-check that the developer name says Rover.com. This helps you avoid downloading fake apps, which can sometimes sneak into app stores. By downloading the official app, you're ensuring the best experience. At this point, you should have the Rover app successfully installed on your device. Feel free to dive in and explore all the options it offers for pet care services. You've just taken a big step towards making your pet care routine easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Enjoy using Rover and giving your pets the best care possible. See you in the next video.